Machiegni kendo, Jatend Piny William Ruto romo kod Jatend kweth din Islam mar Shia Prince Rahima Hussaini Aga Khan mar abich. Romo makamano timore kar jot ma Jatend Piny e bore Nairobi, kama gichuo kogno e ogirimiti mabiro konyo Piny Kenya chwalo dongruok e sekta mar thieth, somo, bero kido kod timbe oganda kaachiel gi bero weche mag alwora. Prince Rahima Hussaini osingo mar medo keto mwandu kod kelo kanyakla joket mwandu mawuok e pinje maoko kaka achiel kuom yore mag konyo Piny Kenya chopo lek mare mar dongruok.
Hand over the certificate. These initiatives are reviving our capital city, providing young people with real employment opportunities, and positioning Nairobi and other urban centers as global models of green, resilient renewal. With the Aga Khan Development Network's proven expertise in conservation, cultural heritage, and community-driven development, I am confident we can expand the scale and impact of these initiatives so that climate action delivers ecological restoration and human dignity.
Signing today build upon this rich legacy of engagement. They reflect the depth of the relationship between the Ismaili Imamate and the Republic of Kenya, and they signal a shared ambition to make that relationship even more impactful. Our goal is to work alongside the government as you tackle the emerging challenges of climate change, urban regeneration,